Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook account on iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Facebook profile, and here on the bottom you can see your profile icon. Click that, and here on the top click that arrow option on the right side of your profile, and here you can see go to account center. Click that option and scroll down and click the personal details option here. And here select account ownership and control, select it, and here you can see the option deactivation or deletion. Click it and select the profile that you want to deactivate. You might have another profile that is linked to your Facebook. In my case it's my Instagram profile, so I'm going to select the Facebook. And here you can see two options: deactivate your accounts, temporarily deactivate, or you want to delete your account permanently. So I'm going to select the deactivate my account temporarily and select continue. And I'm going to select and it's showing that all of this account will be deactivated: my page, my messenger. And after that I'm going to select continue, and I'm going to give the password here. And after that it will ask you why you want to deactivate. I'm going to select this one and select continue. And if you want to deactivate your account, all you have to do, just click the continue option and your account will be deactivated. You can activate your Facebook account anytime you want. All you have to do is just give your email ID and password. Your account will be activated. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I will catch you on the next one.